Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 9 pattern and symmetry. You know the pattern in numbers and pictures and shapes are in pattern. Then first we study pattern. Symmetry means we get a half parts of any things, that is half part of, or first we study pattern. In pattern in numbers, here write 2, 4, 6, then you fill in this. Here the pattern of 2, the 2, the table of 2 here, we add 2 in next number, 2, 4, 6, then we add, again you add 6, 2 add here, then you get 8, then 10, then 12, then 14. Here all numbers we add 2. Then you add 2 to 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Then 6 plus 2, 8. Then 8 plus 2, 10. Here 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. We added 2 in each number. Okay. This is the first pattern. Then second, here you look 5, 10, 15. Then here this blank. Then the difference between 10 and 5, the 5. Then the difference between 15 and 10 is 5. We add 5 to the table of 5 here. Then 10, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. The next pattern is, you say 15 plus 5, 20. Here next 20 plus 5, 25. Then 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Understand you? Then next 1. Then next you fill this. Here 1 plus, we add 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then we add 7 plus 2. We get 9. Then 9 plus 2, 11. Then 11 plus 2, 13. Understand you? Here here we add 10, the pattern of 10, 100, 110, 120. Then you add 120 plus 10, you add, you get 130. Then you add 140. Then again 140 plus 10, you add 150. Then 160. These are the pattern of numbers. These are the patterns of numbers. Now how to the pattern of shape? Look here. Here circle, then the next pattern you say. First we circle, triangle, star. Then circle, triangle, star. Now again circle, triangle, star. Next circle, triangle, star. Next circle, triangle, star. Understand you? These are the shape of pattern. Again, the next way, which pattern we come here? Next, triangle, then rectangle, then square, then again triangle, rectangle, then square. This is the pattern of shape. Understand you how to make the patterns? Then next, symmetry. Symmetry means we get a half of the anything. Then that is the symmetry. First our alphabet letters, then B. Look here, B. The symmetrical point is, we cut this in two half. This is half, this is half. Then we get a half of the B. This is the symmetry. Then A. Here we cut this. This is a symmetry? No, the most part is here. Here is less part. This is not a symmetrical. Then this you here with this part is symmetrical. Okay. Then C, this part is symmetrical. Then M, this part is symmetrical. Then K, this part is symmetrical. J, this is a symmetry? No, this is wrong. Okay. This the symmetrical part. D, this is a symmetrical part. Then these are the symmetrical part. Then N, this is a symmetrical part? No. F, this is a symmetrical part? No. F is not a symmetrical. Then E, we cut this in half of this. Yes, this is symmetrical part. Understand you? Then first we draw a rectangle. Then we cut this in half of the rectangle. Yes, this is the symmetrical part. Then we draw a square. Then we cut this. Then we cut this. This also you cut this. Then this is the symmetrical part. In a triangle, in equilateral triangle, that is all sides are equal. That is also a symmetry. Then this all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle are all sides are equal. That is a symmetrical shape we take. Okay. This is the pattern and symmetrical. You make a many pattern in star pattern. This is the point. Then you make this pattern. This also pattern. This is pattern. And these are the pattern. Many pictures we draw. Then you there in butterfly. Then this is the symmetrical part of the butterfly. the half of the butterfly we get a symmetrical cut. Then this is the symmetrical in shape, and then ball. This is the circle. You cut this in symmetrical part of the. This is the symmetrical part. These are the symmetrical part. You fill in your book pattern and symmetry chapter 9. Then exercise, I can do it. This you draw the next shape to each pattern you draw. Write the number that comes next in pattern. This also you fill. Then these are the patterns you also write in this. Okay. Then next any doubt you ask. Then again the number pattern you write 3, 6, 9. Then next 4 numbers are 3 numbers you fill here. In this pattern, if we add 3, difference between 6 and 3 is 3. Then difference between 6 and 9 is 3. Then you add 3 plus 3, 6. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Then 12 plus 3, 15. Then 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. This is the pattern of numbers. Then next, or symmetry also you understand in symmetrical shape. Then any shape you draw, the path. This is the circle, the flowers we also draw this. This is the flower. We cut this in half part of the flower. This is the symmetry. This also cut here. This is the symmetrical shape. Then in ABCD, K is also symmetrical shape. T. We cut this in T in half of the T. Then M, X. X also cut with the symmetrical shape. Then G is a symmetrical shape? No. O, yes. O also cut. Then Y also cut you. Z also cut in symmetrical shape. The half of the Z is it get to be this side and this side. Okay. These are the pattern and symmetrical chapter. Okay. Thank you.